What I'm talking about today is that I want to talk about resource-aware programming, data mining, machine learning, whatever. But actually what, in the time of big data and cyber physical systems, what we have to face is resource awareness. So on the one hand, we want to do analytics for small devices, and I will go in particular detail for smartphone as an issue of small devices. And then I talk about graphical models. Graphical models are the most complex models that we have in machine learning, and therefore it is a challenge to have these most complex models on tiny devices. So big data on small devices, that's an issue. I will introduce to you in a short lecture what graphical models are, and what we have developed as a new type of them, which are the spatial-temporal random fields. And this picture is illustrating how graphical models look. And then I turn to machine learning on small devices. That is, that we can even use smartphones to do learning graphical models if we approximate them by integer graphical models. And this all is used by an application which is the modeling of energy use and energy consumption in smartphone. So, first introduction, what do we do at this collaborative research center? It is, we have cyber physical systems, and we have big data analytics. We talked about at this conference already some time about that. And then we integrate them, and that's a new trend. That's also why I like the talk of Ivona Brandic. Actually, hardware and software are now coming together again. We separated them for some years, but they come now back to collaboration again. So overall, we have 12 projects, 19 professors, and about 50 PhD students in that research center, and I will report on the work of one of these projects. Yeah, this is just one of the projects. And this is about big data and small devices. Small devices are, for instance, these watches that are now very favorite. And then you see a Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pis are the favorites of my students whenever